Hey there, fellow builders and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving deep into the world of framing hammers. Have you ever wondered which framing hammer truly deserves a spot in your toolbox? Are you tired of wasting money on hammers that just don't deliver? Or maybe you're simply looking to upgrade your current tool to something that will make your framing jobs easier and more efficient. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be counting down the top 7 framing hammers on the market based on my extensive testing over the past 6 months. 7. Mr. Penn Hammer, 8-ounce. Starting our list at number 7 is the Mr. Penn 8-ounce hammer. This compact blue hammer features a non-slip rubber grip that initially feels comfortable in hand. When I first received this hammer, I was impressed by its lightweight design and the integrated magnetic nail starter, which seemed like a thoughtful addition for one-handed nail placement. During my testing, I found the Mr. Penn hammer works adequately for small, light-duty tasks around the house. The built-in nail puller does make nail removal relatively quick, and I appreciated the hanging hole for easy storage. The heat-treated steel alloy construction gives it a sense of durability that exceeds what you might expect from its price point. However, after using this hammer for framing work, its limitations became immediately apparent. At only 8 ounces, it simply lacks the weight and striking power needed for serious framing jobs. I found myself having to swing multiple times to drive even standard framing nails, which quickly led to arm fatigue. The compact size that makes it convenient for storage also means you don't get the leverage needed for efficient framing work. The magnetic nail starter, while a nice feature in theory, isn't strong enough to reliably hold larger framing nails. I often found nails falling off during positioning, which became frustrating during overhead work. The rubber grip, though comfortable initially, began to show signs of wear after just a few weeks of regular use. 6. ESTWING SureStrike California Framing Hammer. Coming in at number 6 is the ESTWING SureStrike California Framing Hammer. This Taiwan-made hammer features a forged solid steel head and a fully polished face. When I first picked up this hammer, I was impressed by the top-grade genuine hickory handle, which gives it a classic, traditional feel. The handy magnet in the head is designed to help start nails, which seemed promising. In my testing, the triple wedge construction provided decent stability between the head and handle, which is often a weak point in traditional hammers. The milled face helped grip nail heads and reduce slippage during strikes. At 25 ounces, it has sufficient weight for driving framing nails, and I found it could drive standard framing nails with fewer strikes than lighter alternatives. The hickory handle does provide some natural shock absorption, which I appreciated during longer framing sessions. The traditional design also allows for handle replacement if needed, which can extend the tool's lifespan. The overall balance felt reasonable, allowing for controlled swings without excessive fatigue. However, after several months of use, I noticed some concerning issues. The connection between the head and handle began to loosen slightly, requiring occasional maintenance to keep it tight. While this is common with wooden-handled hammers, it's an inconvenience that steel-handled alternatives don't present. The hickory handle, while traditional and attractive, also proved less durable in wet conditions, developing slight warping after being accidentally left out in the rain. Number 5. ESTWING Hammer. Moving up to number 5 on our list is the ESTWING Framing Hammer with a smooth face. This American-made hammer immediately stands out with its one-piece construction, where the head and handle are fully polished and forged from a single piece of solid American steel. This design eliminates the common failure point between head and handle that we saw in our number 6 pick. When I first started using this hammer, I was impressed by the longer handle design, which provides more striking power with each swing. The blue shock reduction grip is molded directly onto the steel and offers impressive comfort and durability. During extended framing sessions, I noticed significantly reduced vibration compared to traditional wooden-handled hammers, which meant less fatigue and discomfort at the end of a long day. The smooth face version I tested comes in multiple sizes: 22, 24, 28, and 30 ounce, allowing users to select the weight that best suits their strength and the demands of their projects. I found the 24-aughts model to be an excellent balance of power and control for most framing tasks. The solid steel construction gives this hammer incredible durability. After months of heavy use, including some demolition work, it showed minimal wear and no structural issues. The ripclaw design proved effective for nail removal and light demolition tasks, though I found it wasn't quite as versatile as some of the specialized designs we'll see higher on our list. Number 4. VAUGHAN CF2 California Framer Hammer. Taking the number 4 spot is the VAUGHAN CF2 19 Ons milled face California framer. This American-made hammer combines features of VAUGHAN's 999 rip hammer and the rig builder's hatchet, creating a versatile tool that excels in framing, demolition, and general carpentry work. The first thing I noticed when using this hammer was its exceptional balance, which made prolonged use less fatiguing than many competitors. The 19-ounce weight strikes an excellent balance between power and control, heavy enough to drive framing nails efficiently, but light enough for precise work. The milled face provided outstanding grip on nail heads, significantly reducing slippage and bent nails during my testing. I particularly appreciated this feature when working with hardwoods or in awkward positions where perfect strikes aren't always possible. The California-style handle, which features a distinctive curve based on traditional axe handles, proved to be more than just an aesthetic choice. The ergonomic design allowed for a more natural swing motion and better leverage, resulting in more powerful strikes with less effort. After framing an entire wall section, I noticed significantly less hand and arm fatigue compared to using straight-handled hammers. The magnetic nail starter worked reliably with various nail sizes, allowing for one-handed nail placement even in overhead work, a feature I found particularly valuable when working on ceiling joists. The overall construction quality is impressive, with a secure connection between the head and handle that showed no signs of loosening even after months of heavy use in various weather conditions. 3. ESTWING Hammertooth Hammer. Climbing to number 3 on our list is the innovative ESTWING Hammertooth Hammer. This American-made tool takes the solid foundation of ESTWING's one-piece forged steel design and adds a game-changing feature for framing work: the shark tooth on the neck, designed specifically for straightening 2X lumber. During my testing, this unique feature proved invaluable for aligning studs, joists, and trusses against plates and rim joists. The space between the claw and the tooth is perfectly designed to grab and hold the edge of lumber, providing leverage that makes straightening warped or twisted boards significantly easier than with standard hammers. This feature alone saved me countless minutes on framing projects, eliminating the need for separate pry bars or persuaders in many situations. The fully polished head and handle are forged in one piece from solid American steel, providing exceptional durability and perfect balance. ESTWING's exclusive shock reduction grip is molded directly onto the handle, offering outstanding comfort and vibration reduction. After framing an entire shed with this hammer, I experienced noticeably less hand fatigue and discomfort compared to traditional designs. The hammer is available with either a smooth or milled face, and in 22 or 24-ounce weights, allowing users to select their preferred configuration. I tested the 22-ounce milled face version and found it provided excellent grip on nail heads while maintaining good control. The ripclaw design proved highly effective for nail removal, and when combined with the Hammertooth feature, made this one of the most versatile framing hammers I've used. Number 2. Fiskars Pro IsoCore Framing Hammer. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the Fiskars Pro IsoCore Framing Hammer. This innovative tool represents a significant advancement in hammer design, with a focus on reducing the physical toll that framing work takes on the user. The patented IsoCore shock control system is the standout feature here, and during my testing, I found it genuinely revolutionary for reducing strike shock and vibration. The hammer's insulating collar effectively interrupts the path of vibration from each strike, significantly reducing the shock transferred to your arm and body. This isn't just marketing hype. Medical testing has shown that users of IsoCore hammers experience a 60% reduction in muscle inflammation compared to users of traditional steel and wood hammers. After framing an entire wall section, the difference in arm fatigue was remarkable compared to conventional hammers. The ergonomically contoured handle features a dual-layer design that captures any lingering vibration, while the extended grip allows you to choke up for precision work. I particularly appreciated the hooked handle design, which kept the tool securely in my hand even when swinging with maximum force. The handle is also designed to draw moisture away from your palm, a feature I found genuinely helpful during hot, humid days on the job site. The milled face version I tested provided excellent grip on nail heads, significantly reducing mishits and bent nails. The magnetic nail starter groove made starting nails a breeze, even in hard-to-reach places or overhead work. The Rip Claw proved effective for nail removal and light demolition tasks, making this a versatile tool beyond just driving nails. Number 1. Spec Tools Hammer. Taking the crown as our number 1 pick is the exceptional Spec Tools Hammer. This professional-grade tool immediately impressed me with its ballistically balanced design and innovative features aimed at maximizing performance while minimizing user fatigue. The high-carbon steel head is 25% lighter than traditional hammers, allowing for faster, more controlled swings without sacrificing striking power. The bimaterial shock-absorbing grip, which they call the MOA grip, provides ultimate control and vibration reduction, helping to lessen the impact on joints over extended use. During my testing, I framed an entire garage addition with this hammer and experienced noticeably less fatigue and discomfort compared to any other hammer on this list. The grip texture also provides excellent traction even in wet conditions or with sweaty hands, a thoughtful detail that makes a real difference on hot job sites. The magnetic nail starter proved to be one of the strongest and most reliable I've tested, securely holding even large framing nails in place for one-handed starting. This feature was particularly valuable during overhead work or when working in awkward positions. The versatile Rip Claw excelled at nail removal, demolition tasks, and splitting lumber when needed. I was particularly impressed by how the hammer's balance made these leveraging tasks easier with less strain on my wrist and arm. Spec Tools clearly takes durability seriously. They drop test these hammers at 100 feet to ensure they can withstand the harshest work environments. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive countdown of the 7 best framing hammers on the market today. Whether you're looking for an affordable option for occasional use or a professional-grade tool for daily framing work, there's a hammer on this list that will meet your needs. Remember, the right tool makes all the difference in both the quality of your work and your enjoyment of the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you find the perfect framing hammer for your next project. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and building tips. Until next time, happy building!